What's up, mi gente? Today we're gonna be making some oven-fried roasted cinnamon brown sugar carrots. Let's go. First, we're gonna start by adding on a little bit of olive oil, then moving on to our brown sugar. Make sure that you break that up really, really well and stir it up, looking like this. Now we're going to be adding our cinnamon, a little heavy on the cinnamon for me. Stir it around, mix it around, pour them into the air fryer. And into the air fryer they go for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. And look at that, perfectly golden brown. Look at our cinnamon and our brown sugar. Absolutely delicious. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.